Good afternoon, everybody. Today our topic is cell cycle. Cell cycle means time taken to divide one cell into two cells. So, in the cell cycle, if you come to the scientist, Strasburger had observed observed cell division in the plants. Fleming had observed cell division in animals, and Fleming coined the term mitosis. Farmer and Moore coined the term meiosis. In cell cycle, there are three steps are there. That means three methods are there. One is mitosis, meiosis, and amitosis. If you come to the mitosis is called as equational division. That means there is no change in the chromosome number. Whatever the chromosome number present in the parent, the same chromosome number will be seen in the daughter cells also. Here in the mitosis, one cell, see for example, see the diagram. There the chromosome number is 2n and the daughter also acquired the same number of chromosome. This is called as equational division. Coming to the meiosis, it is called as reductional division. The reduction means chromosome number present in the parent is going to reduce to half. For example, the chromosome number is diploid and it is going to reduce to half, n and n. N means haploid. So the number of chromosomes present in the parent is going to reduce to the half in the daughter cells. So it is called as reductional division. The most important here is meiosis play a very key role in the formation of variations. Variations are important for evolution. What is meant by variation? For example, if a family contains two children, the siblings between the both brother and sister or the both two brothers, there is a lot of variation between the brother and sister, or in the variation changes present in the elder brother and younger brother. So variations means change. Change is important for the evolution. Next method is mitosis. Amitosis means here this is the simple method of cell division which can be seen in case of bacteria, binary fission of bacteria, macronucleus in the paramecium. Paramecium is a protozoan. In this paramecium contain macronucleus and micronucleus. Here micronucleus will undergo mitotic division, whereas the macronucleus undergo amitotic division. Coming to the internodal division of nucleus, here the example is chara. What is meant by chara? Chara is a green algae. In case of green algae, you can see amitotic division. So the significant feature here is spindle fibers are entirely absent in amitotic division. These spindle fibers are made up of microtubules, and this will play a key role in dragging the chromosomes to the opposite poles of the cells. So such type of division is absent in the amitotic division. So overall, if you come to the mitosis is called as equational division. There is no change in the chromosome number. Whatever the chromosome present in the parent, same is going to be acquired to the daughter cells. Whereas meiosis is a reductional division. Only meiosis takes place in case of sexual reproduction. At the time of gametogenesis, at the time of formation of gametes, you can see this type of meiosis. Meiosis play a key role in the evolution. That means how the meiosis play a key role means formation by means of variations. A lot of variation between one sibling to another sibling. This is by means of meiosis. Okay, in the meiosis, especially in the prophase of meiosis, crossing over of genes takes place. This crossing over of genes which may lead to a lot of variations in the siblings of the same family. Okay, thank you.